Baby Days is one of the most promising hip-hop rising star in South Africa, with short and trendy music influenced by Dark 808. What is hard to do is being original in the hip-hop scene, because it is not a South African culture. What constitutes a South African culture is amapiano. Within new age of South African hip-hop, there is a new sound that is pushed by an upcoming artist that comprises of South African classic sampling and interpolation. As much as this sound is energetic and addictive, it lacks context and longevity. There is also a sound by the likes of Jay Katana and Brother Cool. My point is, Baby Days lacks originality, context, and a story. Hence his character is based on Playboi Carti. What he needs is a story, context, and originality. He needs something that resonates with the South African market without the need of trying to be American in Africa. This is why Nasty C could not break into the American market. And this is why Baby Days finds himself in trouble of using the K-word, because he tries by all means to be original, but what he lacks, context.